Yo, lovely people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Trust you're keeping well and staying safe out there. Today I've got a very special recipe for you. It's a very simple recipe. If I can make it, you can make it. Matter of fact, introduction, drum roll please. So yeah, we're making upside down pineapple cake. You ready? Let's go. Okay, so to start our upside down pineapple cake, we're going to need to do the bottom layer first, which is actually going to be the top layer once we flip the cake over. So we've got half a cup of light brown sugar, some cherries, quarter cup of butter, some already sliced up pineapples, and half a lemon. Okay, so we're just going to transfer our butter into a hot pan and then add our brown sugar to it. And just let that melt. So that's well mixed up now. And what we are simply going to do, we're going to transfer this into our baking tray or baking pan. I'm using the square one today. So there, just going to transfer all of that into our baking tray. Just make sure it's all spread out nicely. Make sure you cover every little bit of it so it's flush. And we're gonna start layering our pineapple. Start from the middle, the sides. Remember to save some of that pineapple juice because you can put it into the cake batter itself to give it a nice pineapple-y flavor. I think this is enough. And to that, I'm just gonna fish out some cherries in the middle of it. And then we're gonna let that sit. Okay, so to make our batter, we've got half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. I've got half a cup of melted butter. I've got 2 eggs, a quarter cup of pineapple juice, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, a cup and 3/4 of flour. Okay, so to start, we're gonna pour our butter to a large bowl, and then we're gonna add our sugar to it. Now what we're going to do is simply whisk it. To that we're going to add in our eggs. Let it all mix up so it's well incorporated. And now we're going to add in our flour and sieve it. Salt, nutmeg, baking powder. Okay, give that a nice mix. I'm gonna add in my half a cup of pineapple juice. And then slowly work that in. Smells amazing. Now, I forgot to mention earlier, just a touch of vanilla. Mix that all in. You want to smell this right now. I'm going to switch over to my spatula now and just fold. That's a lovely butter. So today I'm gonna bring my bottom over. And all we're gonna do is simply pour that on gently without moving the pineapple. This is gonna be amazing when it's done. Now that you got all of that mixed up, make sure you don't leave nothing behind. You know how we do it. Everything goes in. To mind you, while we're doing it, you need to set your oven to 180 degrees, and we're gonna bake this for 27 to 30 minutes. Just make sure it's all leveled up. Gently brush it all so it's all in the corners. And we're gonna stick this in the oven now. So after 25 minutes, so after 5 minutes of cooling down, just flip that upside down. And then all we're going to do is simply lift it up. Voila. So now we're going to do a little cut test. Look at that. So there you have it, upside down pineapple cake. Okay, so there you have it, a very simple recipe. If I can do it, you can do it. Come on, let's put it to the test, all right? Again, sponsored by Habiton Ltd. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you'll be the first person to get the next video when I post it. Catch you on the next one. Peace.